start to make the cake, I'd like to show you some different types of cake tins. This particular one is called a Springform tin. It has a lock on here, and when you open the lock, it allows you to take the bottom out. And this is quite useful for people who are not too happy about trying to get a cake out of a tin. So that fits in there, and then you lock it off. Now the downside of this is that it has a join there, so it has 2 rivets, and also there's this lip that runs all the way around the bottom. So what will happen is that you will get marks or indentations in your cake once you've baked it. So this is another type of tin. This is a PME tin, and it's favoured by professional cake makers, and the reason for that is it's made out of one solid piece of metal. It doesn't have any seams, and it makes really good, quite sharp cakes. So that's a PME one. So this is another type of tin. This is somewhere between a Springform tin and the PME tin that I showed you. So this is called a loose bottom tin. It has a loose bottom, so obviously there's a clue in the name. It fits, the loose bottom fits quite snugly in there, so all you get possibly is a little line round there when you make your cake. It's got a lip of about 2.5 centimetres around there, and when you come to take your cake out, you literally just stand this onto a can or a beaker, and it will lift straight out. So that's a loose bottom tin. So for this cake, I'm going to be using a PME tin. This is an 8-inch tin. I've already lined one ready, and I'll show you how I line the tins, and then we're ready to go. So I line my tins with baking parchment. This particular parchment is a white one. It does come in brown, and they're exactly the same. And all I do is I get my cake tin. I mark around the bottom with a circle around the bottom of the cake tin. I just use a pencil. And so then what I do is I just cut it out. I quickly cut this out and show you, whoops, how I do it. Quick and easy way is I fold it over, fold it into 4 pieces, so pencil line to pencil line so that I get it correct, but always cut slightly in on the pencil line. Firstly, we want it to be able to fit on the inside of the tin, not the outside, and also we really don't want pencil on our cakes. Okay, so I've done that. The next thing we have to do is to put some butter onto the cake tin. The butter acts as a kind of glue, and so I just use a little bit of the butter paper, and then I will just lightly grease the cake tin. So I just do that, and that's the bottom. And then I cut out some for the sides. I've already cut some out, but what I'll do is I'll just show you how I put it all together. Again, we just lightly butter the outside of the cake tin around the edges. So here we go. This is some I've cut out when I was doing the first one. And we just stick it in. It's so simple. Just join it up, stick it in, and then we're ready to actually make the cake. There we go.